And now on the night team, Governor DeSantis signing a new law aimed at stopping squatters in Florida. New here at 10 o'clock, the night team's Joe Rhodes live in Hallandale Beach, where he spoke with a homeowner who was recently victimized by these unwanted house guests for years. Joe.
That's exactly right, Belkis. For 8 years to be exact. She says those squatters finally got kicked out a couple of months ago. Now she says she's left with thousands of dollars in damage. She lost thousands of dollars over the years from rent she was unable to collect while those squatters were here. She says a law like this would have saved her an unimaginable amount of stress. Loud applause as Governor Ron DeSantis signed a bill into law Wednesday, giving homeowners more power when dealing with squatters.
You assume in America, if you purchase a home and own a residence, that's your residence.
Sadly, that hasn't been the case. Squatting is when people move into or onto another person's property without permission. You might think it's as easy as calling police, but it can be a lot trickier.
We are in the state of Florida ending the squatter scam.
Before this law, squatters were considered to be tenants, and there was a process to evict them. Now, under the law, a property owner can request law enforcement immediately remove a squatter from their property if the following conditions are met. The individual has unlawfully entered and remains on the property. The individual has been directed to leave the property by the owner, but has not done so. And the individual is not a current or former tenant in a legal dispute. The new law also creates harsh penalties for those engaging in, encouraging, or teaching how to be a squatter. South Florida has seen its fair share of incidents.
The city didn't have my back. The governor didn't have my back.
Natasha Johnson knows it all too well.
Oh, man, I was depressed. Headaches all the time, constantly thinking about what am I going to do?
Inheriting homes from her father and wanting to rent them out. She found squatters had moved into a couple of her properties, including this one in Hallandale Beach. She says it took 8 years before she could get them out.
The officers, they wouldn't do anything. They told me, they seen the squatters in the house. They told me I couldn't even go inside the house to talk to them.
Unfortunately for Johnson,
should have had that a long time ago. Now I'm stuck with damages.
But with Wednesday's signing, this legislation will help homeowners like Johnson get back what is rightfully theirs more quickly.
You are not going to be able to commandeer somebody's private property.
That new law goes into effect on July 1st. As for Johnson, she says she now wishes there was some sort of program that she could enroll in that would allow her to maybe recoup some of the thousands of dollars that she's lost in those damages and that lost rent. We're live in Hallandale Beach tonight. Joe Rhodes, 7 News, Night Team.